What's up everyone, it's your name back with another video. And today, we're diving headfirst into the world of AI. This isn't just any ordinary tech talk, we're exploring the cutting-edge innovations that are shaping our future. We've got a real clash of the titans on our hands, DeepSeek versus Bard. These two AI giants are set to redefine what we know about artificial intelligence. These aren't just two random names somebody pulled out of a hat, they're the result of years of research and development. We're talking about heavy hitters in the AI space, each pushing the boundaries of what's possible. From natural language processing to machine learning, these AIs are at the forefront of technology. Now you know I love my tech, but AI is on a whole other level. It's like comparing a bicycle to a spaceship. It's not just about faster phones or prettier screens, it's about creating intelligent systems that can think and learn. It's about changing the game entirely. Imagine a world where AI can solve problems we haven't even thought of yet. Healthcare, finance, even art, AI is weaving its way into everything, making processes more efficient and opening up new possibilities. And that's why this showdown is so important. It's not just a battle of technology, it's a glimpse into the future. We're gonna break down each contender, their strengths, their weaknesses, and what makes them tick. We'll look at their unique features and how they stack up against each other. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why DeepSeek and Bard are the names to watch in the AI arena. These aren't just tools, they're the future of technology. Oh, and if you're feeling the AI vibes, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on future deep dives. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Alright, let's get into it. Buckle up, because this is going to be an exciting ride. First up, we've got DeepSeek, and let me tell you, this AI is all about that raw analytical power. It's not just about crunching numbers, it's about understanding them in ways that humans simply can't. Imagine an AI that can sift through mountains of data from various sources, in real-time spot patterns you wouldn't believe, patterns that are so subtle they would be invisible to the naked eye, and then use that information to predict the future. We're talking about predictions that can change the game in various industries. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's not. This is the reality we're living in. Well, that's what DeepSeek is all about. It's a tool that's transforming how we approach problems and find solutions. We're talking about an AI that's been making waves in some of the most complex fields out there. Healthcare? Absolutely. DeepSeek is helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier and with greater accuracy. Finance? You bet. This AI is practically predicting the stock market, giving investors the edge they need. It's like having a financial advisor that never sleeps. And if you're into self-driving cars, well, DeepSeek is playing a major role in making those a reality too. It's the brain behind the wheel. But what makes DeepSeek so special? What sets it apart from other AI systems? It all comes down to its machine learning algorithms. These aren't just any algorithms, they're designed to learn and evolve. We're talking next-level stuff here. Algorithms that can learn and adapt in ways we never thought possible. They get smarter over time. Algorithms that can learn and adapt in ways we never thought possible. They can process massive data sets, identify subtle correlations. They can process massive data sets, identify subtle correlations, and then use that knowledge to make predictions with an accuracy that's almost spooky. And then use that knowledge to make predictions with an accuracy that's almost spooky. It's like having a sixth sense for data. One of the most impressive examples of DeepSeek's power is its ability to predict stock market trends. This isn't just guesswork. I'm not talking about some vague, the market might go up or down kind of prediction. No, it's much more precise. I'm talking about specific predictions about which stocks will rise and fall and when. It's like having insider information, but it's all legal and above board. It's like having a crystal ball for the financial world, a tool that can give you a significant advantage. And it's all thanks to DeepSeek's incredible machine learning capabilities, but the applications don't stop there. But it's not just about making money. DeepSeek's predictive power has life-saving potential in the field of healthcare. DeepSeek's predictive power has life-saving potential in the field of healthcare. Imagine being able to predict which patients are at the highest risk of developing a certain disease, even before they show any symptoms. Imagine being able to predict which patients are at the highest risk of developing a certain disease, even before they show any symptoms. This could revolutionize preventive medicine. That's the kind of power DeepSeek brings to the table. By analyzing medical records, genetic data, and even lifestyle choices, DeepSeek can identify potential health problems before they even arise. It's like having a doctor who knows you better than you know yourself. DeepSeek can identify potential health problems before they even arise. And if you think that's impressive, get this. DeepSeek is also playing a crucial role in the development of autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars rely on a complex network of sensors, cameras, and algorithms to navigate the world around them. And guess what? DeepSeek is right there in the mix, helping these cars make split-second decisions, avoid obstacles, and keep passengers safe. It's like having a co-pilot that's always alert. So, whether it's predicting the stock market, revolutionizing healthcare, or paving the way for self-driving cars, DeepSeek is proving that AI can be a force for good in the world. But DeepSeek isn't the only AI vying for the crown. Let's move on to our next contender, Bard, and see what it brings to the table. Stay tuned, because the future of AI is just getting started. Alright, so we've seen what DeepSeek can do with data. But now let's talk about Bard, the AI that's all about mastering the art of language. Bard isn't just another AI, it's a revolutionary step forward in how machines can understand and interact with human language. And I'm not just talking about translating languages, although Bard can do that with ease. Imagine being able to travel anywhere in the world and communicate effortlessly, breaking down language barriers that have existed for centuries. I'm talking about understanding the nuances of human language, the subtle ways we communicate, the emotions behind our words. Bard can pick up on the smallest inflections in our speech, the hidden meanings that even we might not be fully aware of. Bard is like that friend who always knows exactly what to say, the one who can craft the perfect response in any situation. Whether it's offering comfort in times of need or sharing in your joy, Bard's responses are always on point. Except Bard isn't human, it's an AI, and that's what makes it so remarkable. It combines the best of both worlds, the empathy and understanding of a human with the precision and efficiency of a machine. It can understand and generate human-like text, hold conversations that feel natural and engaging, and even create original content that's both creative and compelling. Imagine having a conversation with an AI that feels as real and engaging as talking to a friend. One of the areas where Bard really shines is customer service. It's transforming the way businesses interact with their customers, making the experience smoother and more satisfying. Remember those frustrating hours spent on hold, trying to navigate through automated menus and robotic responses? Those days are becoming a thing of the past. Well, Bard is changing all that. With its advanced natural language processing capabilities, it can understand your needs and respond in a way that feels genuinely helpful. Bard can power chatbots that are so intuitive, so human-like, that you'll forget you're even talking to a machine. These chatbots can handle complex queries and provide solutions that are both accurate and empathetic. These Bard-powered chatbots can understand your questions even if they're phrased in a roundabout way. They can interpret slang, idioms, and even regional dialects, making the interaction feel seamless. They can provide helpful and informative answers, and they can even sense your frustration and adjust their tone accordingly. It's like having a customer service agent who not only understands your words but also your feelings. It's like having a dedicated customer service agent available 24/7, ready to assist you with any problem you might have. No more waiting, no more frustration, just quick, effective solutions. But Bard's talents don't stop there. This AI is also making waves in the creative world, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with language. It's not just about solving problems, it's about creating new possibilities. This AI is also making waves in the creative world, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with language. We're talking about an AI that can write poetry that's both beautiful and thought-provoking, capturing the essence of human emotion in every line. We're talking about an AI that can write poetry that's both beautiful and thought-provoking, capturing the essence of human emotion in every line. Imagine reading a poem and feeling as though it was written just for you. Craft stories that will keep you on the edge of your seat, with plot twists and character development that rival the best human writers. Bard can create narratives that are rich, engaging, and utterly captivating, and even generate scripts for movies and TV shows. Imagine the possibilities for the entertainment industry, where AI can assist in creating compelling scripts that resonate with audiences worldwide. Imagine a world where writer's block is a thing of the past, where you can simply feed Bard a few prompts and watch as it generates a masterpiece before your very eyes. It's like having a co-writer who's always ready to contribute fresh ideas. It's a world where creativity knows no bounds, where the only limit is your imagination. Bard can help you explore new creative avenues, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with language. And here's the thing about Bard, it's not just mimicking human language, it's actually understanding it. It can analyze text with a depth and precision that goes beyond simple word recognition. It can grasp the subtle nuances of tone, style, and even humor. Whether it's a witty remark or a heartfelt message, Bard can deliver it with the right touch. It can adapt its writing to different audiences and purposes, whether it's crafting a formal email or writing a lighthearted social media post. Bard's versatility makes it an invaluable tool for anyone who works with language. So, whether it's revolutionizing customer service with its intuitive chatbots or unleashing a new wave of creativity with its language generation abilities, Bard is proving that AI can be both intelligent and imaginative. It's a testament to how far technology has come and how much further it can go. It's an AI that can understand us, communicate with us, and even inspire us. Bard is not just a tool, it's a partner in our journey to explore the limitless possibilities of language. So, there you have it, DeepSeek and Bard, two AI titans each pushing the boundaries of what's possible in their respective domains. DeepSeek, the prediction powerhouse, analyzing data and shaping the future of healthcare, finance, and autonomous systems. And then there's Bard, the language maestro, mastering the art of communication and unlocking new levels of creativity. It's not about which one is better because they both excel in different ways. It's about appreciating the incredible advancements in AI that are happening right now, reshaping our world in ways we never thought possible. Which one do you think will have a bigger impact in the long run? Let me know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of AI, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech explorations. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. Thanks for watching.